Let's assemble an industrial 8-foot table. This item has 4 pieces, an assembly kit, and requires 2 people for setup. The assembly kit includes 2 short bolts, 9 long bolts, and 2 Allen keys. Start by carefully placing the tabletop face down on the ground. Place the small legs at either end of the table, lining up the 2 holes on the inside corners of the legs. Add a long bolt through the hole, then tighten and secure with an Allen key. Repeat with the other small leg. Weave the center leg through the 2 small legs, locking the joint at the center and lining up the holes. Add a long bolt to the end hole using an Allen key to secure. At the cross joint of the legs, add the small bolt. Use the Allen key to tighten and secure. Lastly, add a long bolt to the center top, securing with an Allen key. Repeat these steps on the other side. Place the last long bolt in the center of the center leg. Use the Allen key to tighten and secure. Carefully flip the table upright and place in desired location. Remember to lift tables, never drag. Add some florals, tabletop decor, and some chairs to complete the look. Looking for more tutorials? Check out our website for more videos.